Hi family, welcome back to my channel. This is Christy from Designs for a Diva. In today's video, I'm going to show you a few clips from me doing a empty house clean. Now, two things I want to say about the empty house clean that I know you're going to think the minute that you see the video. The house is not empty. So, the house is not empty. It's a manufactured home. And when the builders delivered it, well, it was a model home. And so there was some furniture and some decor pieces in there when we viewed the home and fell in love with it. The builders sent the furniture and decor with the home as a surprise for us. So we're really excited. I'm pretty sure at different times of the year, I'll be able to incorporate most of the pieces in the home, and the things that I want to change, I'll be able to paint or what have you. As a matter of fact, in this video, I'm going to DIY 3 of the vases that were given to us by the manufactured home company, Clayton Homes. The second thing is, this isn't a real heavy clean. We sweep, mop, wipe down, and vacuum everything in the home, but I'm going to do a really deep clean once the home once we receive the certificate of occupancy and can move into the home. Right now, there are things that are being built and added to the home, like the plumbing, electrical work, steps and decks, and all of that. So once the lights are on and we're able to move in, then I'll do another deep clean and you'll see the whole house clean. So anyway, stay tuned for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment or two. I really appreciate it. Hope you enjoy the video. So here we are we're already into cleaning the house. I'm sorry, I lost some footage. But there was a lot of red dirt, as I stated earlier, especially there, if you can see behind where I am in what will be the laundry room. That's where the back door is, and there was a lot of red dirt on the floors. So I wanted to go in and do a sweep and mop and wipe everything down. Just a light cleaning, but I really wanted to make sure I got that up. So I'm using my Swiffer today. But once we're able to move into the house, I'm going to get some hot water and a mop and really get those floors clean before I start shining up the wood. So this is what you'll see. I don't have clips from the whole house clean, but it's okay. I'm going to do an official empty house clean with me and let you just go through and see how I clean the entire house once we get there. Once I get everything wiped down, I kind of move all of the decor that's laying around over to this long counter. I will tell you that this is a model home, and it's a real simple home. It's not a huge home. It's just enough for my husband and I. You know, I'm in my late 40s. My husband's in his late 50s. We didn't see the need for a big grand home or stairs and basement and all of that. We needed just enough for us. And I wanted something that was simple, not a whole lot to it, so that I could really make it my own. I love the color of the cabinets. I love the countertops. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, so there's space for company, for me to have an office because I work from home. And I'm just really excited to get in here and do my thing. I'm not a huge glam girl, and I said in an earlier video that I really don't have a style, but what I'm learning from just picking out the things that I really like is that I do have a style. I like a little farmhouse. I like a little rustic, and it's sometimes rustic glam. So you'll see that incorporated throughout the house. I know that the only clips that you've seen have been the same decor and stuff, and that's because all of my stuff is now in storage. and packed away. And we are waiting. We've moved out of one house and now we are staying with my parents. And in a couple of weeks, we should be moving into this house. So I'll do a separate video so that you can really see what the process is of purchasing a mobile home and getting it set up. And I'll take you around the house and show you all the stuff that they've done. But for now, we're kind of in limbo, and I'm not able. I have boxes and boxes of decor, and I'm really excited to pull them out and get my house just really set up the way that I want to. I've decided to take my time. I've decided not to rush into purchasing everything that I need for the home. For instance, over to the left, you'll see that buffet. When we saw this home, this model home, it was there by the door, and that is eventually going to go in the dining room. And I'm going to get a smaller table because I have a leather bench that I'll sit beside it so people can come in. And yes, it is a no shoe zone. Take their shoes off, put on a pair of brand new socks if they want, or walk around with bare feet. But it will be a no shoe zone, because I have light carpet in the living room, and I don't want to spend all of my time, even though I have a carpet shampooer, I don't want a carpet shampoo every week. So here you see that I am gathering some vases on the island. And let me just say before you see it that I did the dumbest thing in America. I didn't cover the whole counter. I didn't move the stools, and I just started spraying. And I actually got spray paint on the bar stools and on a portion of the counter. But Goo Gone has a wonderful latex paint remover that I sprayed on the countertops on another day and on the stools, and it's all gone. So these came out really cute. I lost the footage to show you the whole process of doing them, but they came out really cute. So now we're in the bathroom. I'm just showing you what the guest bathroom looks like. Those pictures came with the house, and I love the color. And I actually got other shower curtains and things like that to go with that picture. So I can't wait to show it to you. We're moving on to the living room. My girlfriend and I, this was the last room that we did. She had already vacuumed the bathroom, the master bedroom and the two other bedrooms, my office and the spare bedroom. So this is the last room that we're going to do, and we're just going to clean it up, vacuum it up really good. I actually cleaned the windows. I didn't pull them down and do the other side. What was the point? They're still doing a lot of work outside. But I got all the insides of the windows clean, and that includes the kitchen and the living room and the bedrooms as well. So I was really excited about that. And yeah, this day is coming to a close. There are no lights in the house. My husband had the generator going so we could have electricity. We have a huge fan going, but it's still pretty warm. So we were able to get this entire house tidied up, and I feel much better about it. It looks better, it smells better, and I'm so excited. And so as we finish, I'm going to show you just some of the areas and how I set some of the decor that's in there around, just to make me feel like it was at home. I think that the 3 vases that I painted silver and gold came out really pretty. I love mixing metals, and I think that'll look good with anything. You'll notice that I like a lot of neutrals to include green, which is, I like greens and blues. I like turquoise, sea green colors. I like mixed metals. I just like what I like, and you'll see that as I decorate my home. The good thing about decorating your own home is that you don't have to follow a trend. You can do it like you want, and that's pretty much me. Everybody's purchasing this. I'm not purchasing unless I really like it. So here's a full view of the kitchen and dining room. I love it, love it, love it. I'm so excited to get in here, y'all. The floors are beautiful. I just love everything about this house, and I'm really super excited. Look at this vase that I painted. This is the first one that I spray painted. I absolutely love that. I can't wait to put some flowers in it and really show you how I do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.